1. Hi Janaka, welcome.
Hi.
Tell us who you are, where are you from, and what do you do?
I'm Janaka Rangama. So I'm from Sri Lanka, and I'm a technical consultant for Infront Consulting Group, and I'm also a Microsoft MVP for Cloud and Data Center Management. So in my day-to-day job, I help my clients to move into their hybrid cloud data center journey with System Center, Office 365, and Microsoft Azure. Also, I'm a Microsoft certified solution developer on Microsoft Azure Architect. So most of the times I spend my work and my time on Azure.
Okay, so you must be using PowerShell quite a bit.
Yes.
So how do you get started with PowerShell?
Okay. So PowerShell, around 4 or 5 years back, when I was starting up, I heard this word called PowerShell. I'm not the Windows administrator back then. I was a Linux guy. So I did my 2 cents on Bash. So I heard, okay, a shell for Windows. So let me give it a try. So I tried it here and there. And 2 or 3 years back, when I was working for a software company, the company was heavily automated, and my boss wanted me to use PowerShell for everything. They still do. So that's how I get started with PowerShell.
So you've been using it for last few years.
Yes.
So what is that one feature or 2 features that you love in PowerShell?
Okay. So I would tell one feature and one cool thing I know about PowerShell. So if you are familiar with Bash or any other scripting language, sometimes you need to learn all those commands, right? But in PowerShell, you can just guess. It's just verb and noun. So that's what I love about PowerShell. And most importantly, the feature I love about PowerShell is DSC. Because in software companies or any large kind of deployments, it's a must-to-have feature to keep the track of the changes you do and to have the desired state configuration. So those are my 2 cents.
All right. So now tell me, you've told me what you love
Yes.
the most. Now tell me what you don't like in PowerShell.
Okay, there's nothing such as that, but yeah, I'll tell a simple one because I like the shell with black and green, not the blue one.
All right, so that must be solved in Windows 10 with PS VLAN being a
Yes.
decent thing.
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So you're speaking here at PowerShell Conference.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
So it's been a great event, and I must really thank the sponsors and the organizers, especially Ben, Milton, and Matt. They did a wonderful job, and yourself as well. So it's been a pleasure to be here. I hope that I'll be here again next year for the next conference as well. So it's really good to see the community gathering up and catch up with this technology, because you can't say I don't like to code or I don't like to type, because automation is key to save your time. So PowerShell is the great way to do that.
We started talking about learning PowerShell. So what is your input to the people who are learning PowerShell?
Yeah. So unlike other programming languages or scripting languages, only thing you need to know is, for me, I started from TechNet itself. So there are a couple of good books and videos available to start on PowerShell. Do a little bit of programming. Even if you start to program with Hello World, that's enough. So that is not complex. This is not rocket science. So internet is there. Internet is your friend. That's it.
That's a good suggestion. Thank you, Janaka. Thank you for your time.
Thanks. Thank you for having me.